And so, good afternoon. Today we're going to be recording continuation of lesson 36. And so, and then starting 37. So if you all want to start off with lesson 37, if you want to go to your books, and it's page 263. So let me explain some of these suffixes and other word endings. So it says at the top of page 263, it says many word endings have already been covered. This lesson deals with additional major suffixes. Refer to the appendix for a summary of all suffixes. So when you use an final FUL for full endings is preceded by a vowel, write FL on the end of the stroke. So if there's a vowel that comes before the FUL, awful, just write it in one stroke, AUFL, okay? Eyeful, Y, I is written I, so just put the FL with it for eyeful. Joyful, joy, FL, because usually you can fit them in there, so that's why you put it in one stroke. Lawful, LAUFL. Playful, play, and then FL. Sorrowful is sorrowful, okay? And then it says at the next chapter there, when an FUL ending is preceded by a consonant, write FL as a separate stroke. So a consonant, boastful, S is a consonant, so boast, and then final FL. Bountiful, bount, and then FL. Careful, care, and then FL. Cheerful, cheer, final FL. Dutiful, dute, and then final FL. Second column there, faithful, faith, and then FL. Those are all consonants. Powerful, powerful, 3 strokes. You also make sure that you see it's 3 strokes for powerful. You have tasteful, taste, T long A S with an asterisk for the ST, and then FL. Useful, Y long US, and then FL. Youthful, Y long UT asterisk for youth, and then FL. Okay? Then it says, remember words ending in fully are written FLI. So carefully is care, FLI. So big difference in fully and full. Gainfully, gain, flee. Lawfully, law, flee. Pitifully, pit, flee. Okay? So make sure that you know how to write those. And then it says towards the bottom there, always use FUL for the word full. So when we're writing the word full, FUL is how you're going to write it when you want it separate and by itself, okay? So it says cupful, cup, final FL. Okay, for cupful, you have mindful, mind, final FL. You have, when I want to say a handful of candy, hand, and then full, FUL. Cupful, cup, FUL, to separate them and put them as 2 words. So make sure you know how to differentiate. And then it says at the bottom of 263, use IRB as a separate stroke or at the end of the stroke if it fits for words ending in ish. So childish, you first get in child and then ish. You have foolish, foolish. And the ish makes sense because the sh sound is the RB. You have rubbish, rub-ish. Stylish, style-ish. English, ing, E-N-G, and then lish. No, English. Okay. You have publish, publish. Vanquish, vanquish. Okay. Going on. Any questions, Jen? No. And there's kind of a lot to cover on this lesson, so just bear with me. So at the very top of page 264, less, words ending LESS, suffix, always use final LES as a separate stroke for words ending in less. So we have blameless, blame first and then LES, okay? You have childless, child and then LES. You have endless, end and then LES. And then you have jobless, job, LES, okay? For jobless, 1 word. And then it says words ending in LESSLY, Leslie, are written Leslie. So aimlessly, aimlessly. Okay, 3 strokes. You have painlessly, write it out, painlessly. Okay, and then restlessly, restlessly. Okay. And then we have the next part, always use less for the word less. So just remember, words ending in SS, when it's one syllable, is written SZ. So the word less is LESZ when you want the word less. So ageless, one word, and then age, and then less to separate it, you write LESZ for the word less. Mint words going on for words ending in MENT, write final MT on the end of the stroke if it fits. So you have agreement, all words are A, long A, agreement. Okay? You have enjoyment, N, and then enjoyment. You can write in two strokes. Payment, P, long A, MT. And then you have government is a brief, GOVT. And then you have pavement, P, long A, V, MT, one stroke. And then torment, TORMT. So usually if it's one stroke, you can include the ment with it, okay? If it's not like impairment, you have to get the M first and then impairment, okay? So two strokes. If MT doesn't fit on the same stroke, write it as a separate stroke. So assignment is assignment, three strokes. Basement, basement. Remember, it's MT on the final side because it's a word ending over here, MT. Okay, and then you've got entrapment. Entrap, you can shorten it up, ment. You have harassment. Let me give you the brief for harassment. HARMT. You don't want to stroke it out. Harassment is harmed, HARMT. And then you have placement, place, final ment, placement. And then resentment, resentment. Okay, three strokes. And then so words with the medial, MENT, with meaning in the middle, or with multiple endings are written as follows. So you have document is going to be document, two strokes, okay? You have fragment, fragment. But let's say it's fragmentary. So you're going to write fragmentary. Okay, three strokes. You have experiment. EX because a P follows it, P long E RMT, experiment. You have experimentation, EX, peermentation, three strokes, four strokes. Oh, expermentation, no? Sorry, I'm trying to write too fast so it all comes and overlaps. So experimentation, stroke it out, and then it says, words ending in ishment are written SHMT. So this is something new at the very bottom of 254. So astonish is A-ston-ish. Astonishment is A-ston, and then ishment is SHMT. So that's a new ending. So you have, let me give you the brief for punishment. Instead of stroking it out, you all, it's pumped. Punishment, P-U-M-T. So you want to write that down because that's important. And then you have, next page, words ending in NES, N-E-S-S. So it says use final NS with an asterisk as a separate stroke for words ending in NES. So you've got boldness. Just think you want to attach it, so you're going to add the asterisk. So you're going to write bold and then NS asterisk, okay, and it'll attach it. You've got closeness, close, NS asterisk. You've got fairness, fair, NS asterisk. And then timeliness, timely, and then NS asterisk. Okay, you got to get the ly in there. Words ending in lessness are written less, come back NS asterisk. So carelessness is careless, and then NS asterisk. Okay. The other word, hopelessness, hopelessness asterisk. Okay. So just remember to stroke it out. And then it says to save a stroke, words ending in fullness are written FL and S. So you got to write these down because they're kind of a lot of suffixes. So carefulness, you can just shorten it up with care. Fullness is FL and S asterisk for the fullness ending. Lavishness, lavishness, lav, L-A-V. Ishness is S-H-N-S. Okay, so you want to know those endings. And then you've got, so the fullness is F-L-N-S asterisk. Ishness is S-H, the beginning, and then N-S asterisk, okay? And then it says words ending in ivness, abusiveness, may be written IVNS or IV come back NS. Maybe I recommend using the IVNS one stroke. So forgiveness is forgive, forgiveness, okay? Or could you do forgiveness, 2 strokes? Might be kind of hard for you because of that F, the VNS. Try it out, it's a little difficult, but your finger exercises help with some of those awkward strokes. So you all, if you want to use that shortened form, I would recommend it. It might just be a little tough to stroke out, okay? And then it says at the bottom of page 265, words ending in some. So it says you use SM as a separate stroke for words ending in some. So awesome is aw and then SM. Notice it's initial SM. Okay, you've got handsome, hand SM. So notice it's initial SM, not S final M. You've got lonesome, lone and then some. Loathsome, loathe, and then SM. Okay? And then you have troublesome, trouble. You write trouble first and then some. Twosome, winsome. Okay? Words ending in someness are written SM, NS asterisk. So gruesome is grew and then some. Let's say I wanted to write gruesomeness. I'm going to write grew, SM, NS. Sorry, I try writing so fast that I'm writing on top of each other. So gruesomeness, wholesomeness, I like the shortcut, whole, SMNS, okay, wholesomeness. And then it says for words, always use some for the word some. So let's say you want to just write, I want some, it's just SOM, okay? It'll separate it for you and it's going to be by itself. So make sure that you understand those principles. And then 37-1 you'll have for your homework assignment. Okay? Any questions, Jen, on anything there? No. No? Okay, and so what I'm going to cover now is you should, hopefully you all will be able to get your Q&A phrases. It's going to be titled in Blackboard. So make sure that you can get those. I'm going to cover them a little bit. So Q&A phrases, they're Q&A helpful phrases, you all. I'm going to explain how to do them just because it really helps. So the very front page of them is I can't be. So usually you all think of I can't as Y for I. Can't is the second letter is A. So I can't is always going to be YA. I can't, YA. And then usually the ending over here is going to be this, the beginning part of the phrase. So I can't be is YAB. So if you think about it, I can't is YA, B is going to be B, usually in a phrase, final B. So I can't be. And so tell me, Jen, how you think you're going to write I can't feel.
It's Y-A-F-L.
Perfect. So I can't feel, Y-A-F-L. Feel in a phrase is F-L. So I'm going to go through these. I can't believe, Y-A-B-L. So I can't is Y for I, A is for the can't, B-L is believe. And then you have, what do you think for I can't go, Jen?
Y-A-G.
Y-A-G is I can't go. So G over here on the final side for go. And then you have I can't have, Y-A-F, Y-A for I can't, F for have in a phrase, okay? You have, so it's probably a good idea if some of you want to make flashcards, just because you might see YAF and you won't recognize it. So if you have your flashcards, it's very helpful just to help you remember these phrases, okay? So we have I can't have been, YAFB. I can't, YA, have is F, B for been. I can't have been. And then I can't have had. I can't have had, YAFD. Okay? I can't have had. YAF for have, D for had. I can't have had. I can't imagine, Jen. Do you know how that is?
Y-A-J.
Perfect. YA for I can't, J for imagine. Okay, YAJ. And then you've got I can't recall, YARL. I can't, YARL for recall. You've got I can't recollect, YARK. So I can't, Y-A-R-K for recollect. Okay? I can't remember. Y-A for I can't, R-M for remember. So it's always usually going to be the same little phrases. You've got I can't say, Jen. How would you write I can't say?
Y-A-S.
Perfect. Y-A-S. I can't say. I can't think. Y-A-N-G. Think, N-G in a phrase is N-G, okay? So I can't think. I can't understand. Y-A-N-D-Z. I can't understand. Y-A-N-D-Z. I can't want. Y-A-P-T. Want in a phrase is usually final P-T over here. Okay? And then you've got I could is I-K-D. Okay? So let me dictate some of these to you, Jen, and if you don't know, just ask me, okay? These are all Y-A, I can't. I could. I can't wait. Sorry, I can't want. I can't understand. I can't think. I can't say. I can't remember. I can't recollect. I can't recall. I can't imagine. I can't have had. I can't have been. I can't have. I can't go. I can't feel. I can't believe. I can't be. I can't remember. I can't say. I can't think. I can't understand. I can't want. I could. I can't have. I can't go. I can't feel. I can't believe. I can't be. I can't remember. I could. I can't recall. I can't imagine. Any question, Jen, on any of those?
No.
No? Okay. And so now I'm going to I didn't. So I didn't is always going to be the Y. I for the second letter and didn't. And then whatever endings you're going to put are usually the same over on the right side. So I didn't believe is Y-I-B-L. I didn't believe. I didn't believe so is Y-I-B-L-S. Okay, I didn't believe so. I didn't do, Y-I-D. I didn't feel, Y-I-F-L. And then you have I didn't go, Y-I-G. You have I didn't have, Y-I-F. I didn't have. I didn't imagine, Y-I-J. I didn't mean, Y-I-M. I didn't mean to, Y-I-M-T. I didn't mean to say, Y-I-M-T-S. You've got I didn't recall, Y-I-R-L. I didn't recollect, Y-I-R-K. Then you have I didn't remember, Y-I-R-M. I didn't say, Y-I-S. I didn't think, Y-I-N-G. I didn't understand, Y-I-N-D-Z. Okay, so remember, understand in the phrase is N-D-Z, think, N-G, say, S, remember is R-M, recollect, R-K, recall, R-L, mean to say, M-T-S, mean to, mean, Y-I-J is that I can't imagine? I didn't imagine, sorry. I didn't imagine. J is imagine. Have is Y-I-F. Go is G. Okay. And feel is F-L. I didn't do, Y-I-D. And then believe so is BLS, believe BL. Okay, so I'll dictate some of these, Jen. Ask me if you don't remember how to stroke them, okay? I didn't have, I didn't recall, I didn't remember, I didn't understand, I didn't mean to, I didn't have, I didn't do, I didn't believe, I didn't think, I didn't have, I didn't feel, I didn't go, I didn't mean to say, I didn't believe so, I didn't feel, I didn't believe, I didn't think, I didn't mean to, I didn't recall, I didn't say, I didn't understand. Any questions, Jen?
No.
No? And then going on to the second page, so we have I don't is going to be what, Jen?
It's a YO.
Uh-huh. So YO, the Y for the I, O for the don't, the second letter in don't. Okay, so I don't, I think is YONT. Yeah. I don't is YONT. So you want to know that one. You want I don't believe, YOBL. You've got
Is
I don't believe so, YOBLS. And then you have I don't feel. You have I don't go. You have I don't have. YOF, I don't have. I don't imagine. YOJ. I don't mean. YOM. And then I don't mean to. YOMT. I don't recall. YORL. I don't recollect. YORK. I don't remember. YORM. You have I don't say. You have I don't think. YONG. I don't think so. YONGS. And so these phrases help so much because that's 4 or 5 words you're saying in just one stroke. I don't understand. YONDZ. I don't want. YOPT. Okay? And so I'll dictate some. I don't mean. I don't recollect. I don't say. I don't think. I don't understand. I don't want. I don't mean. I don't imagine. I don't. I don't believe. I don't believe so. I don't feel. I don't go. I don't have. I don't recall. I don't recollect. I don't remember. I don't think so. I don't understand. I don't want. I don't mean to. I don't. I don't remember. Okay. And then we have the do you. So do you is going to be D long U. And then whatever ending is going to be for the rest of the phrase. So do you is D long U. Do you believe? D long UBL. Do you ever? D long UFR. Do you feel D long UFL? Do you have D long UF? Do you recollect D long URK? Do you remember D long URM? Do you think D long UNG? Do you understand D long UNDZ? Do you want D long UPT? Okay, so do you, D long U, and it makes sense, do, and then you, the long U. As long as you know your endings over here, you're going to be okay and be able to write them and just, or memorize them, use your flashcards, and then, like I said, recognize that, what that means. So here, I'm going to dictate a little bit of them. Do you believe? Do you ever? Do you feel? Do you have? Do you recollect? Do you remember? Do you think? Do you understand? Do you want? Okay, and then, so remember, I don't, Y-O, I didn't, Y-I can't, Y-A, do you, D long U, and then there's some additional ones on the very last page, did. So you have, did you recall, D-U-R-L, did you recall? Just think of the did as the D by itself, did. Because you write did, D-I-D, so just the D by itself, you, and then recall. It can't be D long URL because that's not anything. So did you recall, D-U-R-L? Did you recollect, D-U-R-K? It's just D by itself. Did you remember, D-U-R-M? Did you remember? Did you understand, D-U-N-D-Z? Did you want, D-U-P-T? Okay, so make your flashcards and I'll dictate some of these and then I'll switch them around, okay? And then dictate them switched around. So make sure that you go over them as many times as you need to, just very helpful. Remember, Q&A is your fastest test. So in every class, so you really want to master these phrases. It makes a big difference if you know them. So here we go. Did you want? Did you understand? Did you remember? Did you recollect? Did you recall? Do you want? Do you understand? Do you think? Do you remember? Do you recollect? Do you have? Do you feel? Do you ever? Do you believe? I can't want. I can't understand. I can't think. I can't say. I can't remember. I can't recollect. I can't recall. I can't imagine. I can't have had. I can't have been. I can't have. I can't go. I can't feel. I can't believe. I can't be. Okay? And so what I'm going to do now is dictate some of these for practice and then we'll read them back, okay? This is just practice. I'm going to switch them up. So it won't be just like the YA, the YI, it'll be mixed up, okay? Any questions, Jen? No? Okay, here we go. I can't have. I didn't go. I can't want. I didn't think. I don't imagine. Do you think? I can't think. I didn't go. I don't go. Do you recollect? Do you believe? Do you understand? Do you want? I don't want. I don't have. I didn't mean to. I didn't go. I didn't understand. I don't think so. I can't understand. Do you want? Did you want? Do you believe? I can't believe. I can't be. I didn't say. I can't recall. I don't think so. Do you understand? I don't believe so. I can't feel. I didn't do. I don't go. I don't imagine. Do you have? Do you remember? I can't remember. Did you remember? I can't think. I didn't think. I can't recollect. I don't remember. I didn't imagine. I didn't say. I can't want. I don't want. Do you recollect? Do you feel? I don't mean to. I didn't recall. I didn't think. I didn't want. I can't go. Do you remember? Did you remember? I can't remember. I can't believe. Do you think? I can't say. I didn't recall. I can't understand. I could. I didn't have. I don't say. I don't want. I don't. Do you have? Do you believe? I don't mean to say. I don't say. I didn't go. I didn't remember. I didn't mean to say. I can't have been. Do you have? Did you understand? I can't understand. I can't recall. I can't have had. Do you feel? Anything there, Jen?
No.
No? Okay. And how's that speed? Is that too fast, Jen? You tell me, do I need to slow it up a little bit?
No, it's good. It's a little hard, but it's good.
Okay. And so are you having a hard time remembering any of the endings, Jen?
It's not the ending. It's just it just takes a little bit to process.
I know the YA, the YI, I know. Okay. So I won't go too fast. So I just want to make sure that you all have the basic concept down. Okay. So this is going to be, just a minute, Jen. I see something coming up on my screen. For read back, okay? Okay. And this will be for read back, and I will slow it up a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. I can't feel. I didn't do. I can't have been. I didn't have. I can't recall. I didn't mean to. I can't say. I didn't recollect. I can't understand. I can't want. I didn't think. I didn't understand. I don't. Do you believe? I don't believe so. Do you have? I don't have. Do you think? I don't mean to. Do you want? I don't recollect. I don't think so. I don't want. I don't feel. I didn't go. I don't mean. I didn't mean to. I don't recall. I didn't recollect. I don't say. I didn't think. I don't think so. I didn't want. I don't want. I can't feel. Do you feel? I can't have had. Do you think? I can't recall. I can't remember. Did you recall? I can't think. Did you remember? I can't understand. Did you want? Okay. And whenever you're ready, Jen.
Okay. Okay. I can't feel. I didn't do.
Mm-hmm.
I can't have been. I didn't have. I can't recall. I didn't. I didn't MT.
What is it that you have? I didn't.
The ending MT.
Perfect.
I can't say.
Okay, I didn't mean to. And you actually, it's YIMT.
Okay. Then I can't say.
Uh-huh.
I didn't. I didn't recollect.
Perfect.
I can't understand.
Mm-hmm.
I can't want. I didn't think. I didn't understand. I don't. Do you believe? I don't believe so. Do you have? I don't have. Do you think? I don't mean to.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want? I don't recollect. I don't think so. I don't want. I don't feel. I didn't go. I don't mean. I didn't mean to. I don't recall. I didn't recollect. I don't say. I didn't think. I don't think so. I didn't want. I don't want. I can't feel. Do you feel? You or I can't have had. Do you think? I can't recall. I can't remember. Uh, did you recall? Do you remember?
Okay, I can't think. And then did you remember?
Okay. I can't understand. Did you? I kind of messed up here. Did you want?
Uh-huh. Perfect. Very good, Jen. Excellent. So just keep going over those and over them because like I say, it's one thing to remember them and write it down, but another to recognize it. Very good, Jen. So I'm just going to dictate some more and then maybe I'll just give you a little Q&A lesson using these, incorporating them, okay? Here we go. I didn't remember. I can't imagine. I could. I didn't feel. I can't feel. I can't imagine. I didn't mean to say. I didn't go. I can't recall. I don't recall. I don't say. Do you recollect? I don't believe so. Do you feel? Do you believe? I didn't believe so. I don't feel. I didn't go. I didn't mean to. I don't mean to. I didn't say. I don't think. I don't understand. I don't want. I didn't believe so. I can't be. I can't believe. I can't feel. Do you ever? Do you think? I can't recall. Did you recall? I can't think. Do you understand? I can't understand. Did you want? I can't go. I can't be. Do you ever? Do you want? I can't say. Okay, and so those will be in Blackboard, and so have them by your side as you're going to get ready to practice, just because they make a difference, and make your flashcards. And let me just get my Q&A material, okay? Remember real quickly, Q&A, question is left bank, answer right bank. Question, answer, question, answer. Don't worry about the punctuation unless it's a long answer or question. So like question, how long were you there? And then answer, you don't have to worry about putting in that question mark. It'll put it in for you, okay? Let me just get... Okay. So real quickly, let's see if we can incorporate some of the phrases. Q&A, like I said, is always the fastest in every class. If you practice it, everything else seems a little easier. But you know, you really have to just do a little bit of everything, because they're all going to be just as important. But like I say, just because of the Q&A being so long and so fast, 225 is what your state test is, and it's 5 minutes, so it's about 6 pages typed up, maybe 7 in English, so that's quite a bit. Okay, so let me give you some words that come out on your Q&A speed building. You have, I'm going to read it at 70, 80, and 90, okay? Remember, your next class that you all go into, it's going to be at 100 and 120. Okay, so you've got real short little question and answer. Okay, I don't think so comes out. Jack, February. Do you know? Do you know? Did we cover that? Is D long UN with an asterisk? You got to put the asterisk in there because Dune is a word. Okay. You have, he said, HEBS. I don't recall, YORL. I don't think so, YONGS. I don't believe so, YOBLS. Okay. And this is going to be at 70 words a minute. Okay, I just really want you to try and focus on getting some of these phrases, okay? Here we go. Question. So just write question and answer as I say it, okay? At 70 words a minute. Question. Did Jack say what he had found? Answer. Yes, but he did not know whether he would tell us. Question. When will Jack be home? Answer. He will be back on February 10, 1994. Question. Do you know whether you will be able to work next week? Answer. I don't know whether I can work for you or not. Question. Do you know when the game will end? Answer. No, I do not. Question. Did he say what he had done? Answer. He said when you are ready, he will tell you. Question. Have you heard what I have been saying? Answer. Yes, I have. Question. is the paint job which the boys did good for you? Answer, I don't think so. I don't feel they spent enough time on the job. Question, is this the car which a girl said was in the accident? Answer, I don't recall. Question, did he know the act which he did was wrong? Answer, I don't believe so. Question, do you feel that the investigation which I have had done should be of value? Answer, I don't have an opinion. Question, is chess a game which he can play well? Answer, I will have to check on that. Question, can she change how you feel on the matter? Answer, nothing which she is doing will change my opinion. Let me change my battery. Any questions, Jen?
No.
How do you write opinion?
P-N.
Uh-huh. PN. Okay, good. And so are some of the phrases coming to you, Jen?
Yeah.
Okay.
I only need to practice more.
I know. And so it's really different when you hear it that way, but just keep listening to this. And it's a little slower, but you know, usually we don't read the question and answer. We just have two people up here. But I just want you to learn these phrases, and then I will have two people dictating, okay? Any questions, Jen?
Nope.
Okay. And so this is going to be at 80 words a minute, a little faster, okay? Any questions on the words, Jen? Everything's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Pretty basic, you all. So this is going to be at 80 words a minute. Remember, your next speed is at 100. But I just want you to learn the phrases slow so that they come to you and they make sense, okay? This is at 80. Did Jack say what he had found? Answer, yes. But he did not know whether he would tell us. Question, when will Jack be home? Answer, he will be back on February 10, 1994. Question, do you know whether you will be able to work next week? Answer, I do not know whether I can work for you or not. Question, do you know when the game will end? Answer, no, I do not. Question, did he say what he had done? Answer, he said when you are ready, he will tell you. Question, have you heard what I have been saying? Answer, yes, I have. Question, is the paint job which the boys did good for you? Answer, I don't think so. I don't feel they spent enough time on the job. Question, is this the car which a girl said was in the accident? Answer, I don't recall. Question, did he know the act which he did was wrong? Answer, I don't believe so. Question, do you feel that the investigation which I have had done should be of value? Answer, I don't have an opinion. Question, is chess a game which he can play well? Answer, I will have to check on that. Question, can she change how you feel on the matter? Answer, nothing which she is doing will change my opinion. Any questions there, Jen?
Nope.
Okay, and then this will be at 90. Question, did Jack say what he had found? Answer, yes. But he did not know whether he would tell us. Question, when will Jack be home? Answer, he will be back on February 10, 1994. Question, do you know whether you will be able to work next week? Answer, I do not know whether I can work for you or not. Question, do you know when the game will end? Answer, no, I do not. Question, did he say what he had done? Answer, he said, when you are ready, he will tell you. Question, have you heard what I have been saying? Answer, yes, I have. Question, is the paint job which the boys did good for you? Answer, I don't think so. I don't feel they spent enough time on the job. Question, is this the car which a girl said was in the accident? Answer, I don't recall. Question, did he know the act which he did was wrong? Answer, I don't believe so. Question, do you feel that the investigation which I have had done should be of value? Answer, I don't have an opinion. Question, is chess a game which he can play well? Answer, I will have to check on that. Question, can she change how you feel on the matter? Answer, nothing which she is doing will change my opinion. And Jen, real quickly, do you know how to write the word value?
VAL.
Value is VAL.
Is there a brief for I do not?
I'm sorry?
Is there a brief for I do not? Or,
No, Y-O, no, you have to stroke it out. I do not. Oops. No, how do you write do? Just D-O?
yo,
Okay, N-O-T. Okay, and that's it, Jen. So that concludes today's lesson. I just wanted to incorporate some of those phrases because they're very helpful. Okay, so we'll be doing a little more of Q&A. Any questions or anything, Jen?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day, Jen. Great job.
Thank you.
Thanks.